Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the 1997 through 2001 fifth generation Honda Prelude JDM rear window roof visors plus door visor combination. So I got this, I think from the seller was supposed to be like 61 something plus tax, but somehow they have I think $2 or $3 off or 5%. So I end up paying $58.89 plus tax. It came up to be like around $64 for the whole thing. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So this one is made in China. So it says a set. And here is the cut opening. You got this double-sided tape. Normally I would not trust this double-sided tape. What I'm going to do is cut out some of the section and put like a waterproof clear silicone. See that this one is already coming off. Just show you guys real quick. So from the manufacturing, it is maybe they didn't do it right. So it's pretty dark, which is I like it. And then here's the other side. So open this up real quick, see what it looks like. So I guess this is go in between your insert. I'm not sure to your mirror or to your weather strip. We're gonna find out later on for the installation. again, this one is made in China. This is the rear window visor. Normally this piece will cost you around like 50 or 60 bucks already, so and then you got this plastic protector layer. Wow, it's super dark. Can't even see through it. It's pretty shiny, glossy. Yeah, I don't think you can see through this. Wow. I need to talk to the seller because I have the other one for the Honda Civic and you can see through them, so we'll see. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye always. Peace.